Hi friends, today I'm going to unbox Nokia 1.3 phone. Let's see what it includes inside. I got this for 64.99 GBP from Nokia online shop. Let's see the specification. It has Android 10 Go edition. I think it is a limited version for 1 GB kind of thing. And 5.71 HD Qualcomm and 300 milliamps battery and 1 GB RAM. So this is the reason it is comes with the Android 10 Go edition. So and 8 MP autofocus camera with LED flash and 5 MP front camera. Yeah, 2 years Android upgrades. So I basically got this phone as a second device. I have iPhone. This is to support other number. So that's the reason I got it, to check how it performs. So let's see what's inside it. I will be unboxing it now. Yes. Yeah. It has. This is a lightweight phone. Yeah, and compatible. Yeah, and if I see, yeah, surprisingly battery. I think we have to open and insert this, I guess. So I think it's a olden days technology, I guess, but let's see how it is. There is a USB cable charger along with this thing. Yeah. Yeah, some instructions manual. So it just gives us, yeah. Yeah, let's, yeah, it is quite lightweight, and I think it is for 64 quids. It's a good device, I can say. Let's open it and try to switch on. I'm trying to open it. Yeah, I think this is how I can open it. I will insert my SIM card here. Probably. I think there is another slot for dual SIM. Yeah, it's a good device, I guess. Let's see if it has any battery left. Probably, I think. Yeah, powered by Android Go edition. Yeah, it's pretty light. Yes. Yeah, I have connected to the internet, and it is checking for the updates now. So it might take a few minutes. Yeah, I think yeah, the setup is done. Yeah, I think it is okay, I guess. Not bad for this price. It is just 64.99 GBP I have paid at this current time. I just want to use it like a second phone, and keep the battery for just calls and nothing much. Instead of buying different device, I thought to choose this one. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, it's pretty quick, I guess. Yeah, it's a bit slow to open the apps. Yeah, maybe it is installing the applications, but it is good go, I guess. Yeah, it's a nice phone, I guess. Let's see what settings I can do. I think there is not much settings as the usual Android things. So yeah, it's very few options. And also, if you see the YouTube, so this is a YouTube Go, lighter version of the YouTube. Yeah, it's a bit slow. It's not bad, I guess.